Q5c, still on sequences, but a little bit different this time. So we're told we've got a sequence of 4 numbers. So I'm going to write that we're going to have a first number, second number, third number, and a fourth number. And we know that the difference between each number is 7. So to get from the first to the second, we add 7, second to the third, we add 7, and third to the fourth, we add 7. Okay, and we know that the sum of the 4 numbers equals 6. So if I do first plus second plus third plus fourth, the answer will be 6. So a little bit of algebra here. If I call my first number n, so that's my starting number. I don't know what it is yet, but I want to work it out. To get to my next number, I add 7. So my second number would be n plus 7. To get to my third number, I add another 7. So n plus 7 again. That means altogether I've added on 14, so it's n plus 14. And the final one, I've added on another 7, so it's n plus 21. So I've just written all 4 numbers in terms of the first number, which I've called n. You could call it any letter. Now we're going to use the fact that the sum of the first 4 numbers is 6. So basically, if I add together these 4 numbers, it will be 6. So let's write that out algebraically. So n, which is my first number, plus n plus 7, which is my second number, plus n plus 14, which is my third number, plus n plus 21, which is my fourth number, would give me 6. So now I need to simplify. So I need to collect the terms. So altogether there I've got 4n. So I've collected the n's. Then I need to collect the numbers. So I'm going to have 7 plus 14 plus 21. So plus 42. So all I've done is simplify the left hand side. That would give me 6. So now you're just solving. So I want to get the n by itself. So I need to get rid of this plus 42 from this side. So I need to subtract 42 from both sides to give me 4n equals 6 minus 42, which is minus 36. I then need to get rid of the 4, so we're multiplying by 4, which means I do the opposite, which is divide by 4. So these cancel, so I'm left with n equals minus 36 divided by 4, which is minus 9. So remember, n was our first number in the sequence. So I know that my first number then is n. I add on 7 each time, so the next number, n is minus 9. So the first number is minus 9. To get to my next number, I add 7, so my next number is minus 2. To get to the next one, I add 7 again, so the next number is 5, and add 7 again, so that number is 12. So if we double check that that works, if we did minus 9 plus minus 2 plus 5 plus 12, we should get the answer 6, which we do, so we know we've done it right, and those are our 4 numbers.